It's pretty tough. I mean, I'm used to being out. I'm used to training with my trainer uh, every day, and I'm just used to even driving my street car. So I don't do very much of that. Not seeing my trainer every day just to be safe, and not really going out much. Just trying to uh, keep safe and trying to be healthy. So it sucks, and I really miss racing. I mean, I love driving. I love racing. It's what I do best. So it's tough not doing it and being in quarantine and not being in the car for so long. Is going to be like Christmas when I get back to a racetrack and start doing what I love to do. So here at my apartment, I have a ski erg, and I do that just about every day. And then I roll around a lot outside. Some masks that I wear. The weather hasn't been very good lately. It's pretty cold here in Michigan, so I'm not haven't been rolling very much outside. But the ski erg is the best type of cardio that I can do, and really just trying to keep moving around in my Apartment, we have some weights I can use and some boxing gloves, and I'll do that a little bit as well. Just trying to keep the heart rate up and keep in shape. That's a good question. I really hope it's soon, but it really depends on how the COVID-19 affects the rest of the country and the world. But that's really in IMSA's control. And hopefully it's soon. Our next race is scheduled to be the end of June at Watkins Glen. But I don't see that happening with the state of New York, how it is, and everything shut down. I have a feeling our next race could be in August, but we'll have to wait and see. So it's been great. Working with the students at the races that they've been to has been really good. The first race was VIR last year, and then they've been coming to the rest of the races, and they've been fantastic. Working with them has been great. They have a lot of knowledge in the engineering of a car, and in collaboration with Cole, working with everyone, they really know their stuff, and it's been great. So that's a good question. Everyone asks me how it is to drive with hand controls and really maintaining what I can do compared to an able-bodied person. And I think um, I'm the same as any other driver. The only difference is I roll up to the race car in a wheelchair and I drive with hand controls. So I feel like my ability as a racing driver is the same as everyone else. And I feel that I'm a very good race car driver. And who knows what will come in the future? I hope to win some championships and a lot more races as I progress in my career. I hope everyone's safe. Try and hang in there. It'll get better, I promise. Just have to be patient and just try and stay healthy any way you can by means of working out, eating healthy, getting good sleep, and just trying to survive. Do any means possible. Whether that's studying schoolwork or whether that's playing some video games, but treat everyone the way you want to be treated, and it'll all get better.